Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my planner stack that I'm currently using. I have been using these since I'd say about mid-January, and I'm really happy with my planner stack so far. I know it kind of looks like a lot. There are some where it's definitely like just for the time being, and yes, I'll get into that. But if you are new here and you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and click the notification button so you can be updated with all my new videos. And yeah, let's just get started. So I think for me, my favorite thing to watch is definitely planner stack videos, or like what planners people are currently using. I find that to be so interesting, and just to see why people are using certain planners, or like what purpose they're using their planners for. So I'm gonna just get started with this one first. And this is kind of what I was saying, is like not all of these planners are like gonna be used all the time. Kind of like dirty. So this planner is my wedding planner. I got this when we got engaged, so about November 2018. And as some of you might know, some of you might not know, we were planning to get married this coming summer, but because of everything going on, we're not too sure. It's kind of all up in the air. So right now, it's kind of been a stressful time, you know. Other than everything else going on, it's also stressful because we had this whole wedding thing planned. So, you know, I'm trying not to take it too seriously about the wedding stuff, and you know, whatever happens. But yes, this is my wedding planner, and if you'd like to see more in depth about this, I could definitely do a video about this. So what I tend to do, I'm gonna just put it like on June, for example, of 2020. I just put these stickers that were Erin Condren stickers, and what I do is if I have an appointment or something special, like maybe a payment due or something like that, emailing someone back, I'll just put that in here, and it's more just like a monthly calendar, which is fine with me because I mean, I don't really have to do something daily for the wedding, especially now because, you know, everything going on. But I really enjoy this, and there's stuff in the bag. I don't really want to show too much just because a lot of this is, you know, wedding related, and it's kind of like surprise still, so secretive still. So this is my wedding planner, and I did create this cover and then, you know, I had Erin Condren print it. So yeah, that is my wedding planner. All right. Another one that's probably not like my everyday use, I mean it should be. So next up on my planner lineup is, it's kind of a planner, is my Powersheets for this year. I'm new to Powersheets, so this is my first year using it, but so far I'm loving it. It's definitely been hard this month to get things done because, you know, a lot of the stuff was spending more time with family, making time to do, we wanted to travel more this month, and we wanted to do all these different things, but you know, because of what's going on, kind of putting that on back hold, and that's fine. We'll just do it a different month. But yes, I'm excited for April in my Powersheets because I think maybe it'll be nice to have going into, you know, knowing what's going on right now. I'll have different goals, and then I could feel like I accomplished a little bit more things instead of right now where a lot of my stuff that I originally was planning as a goal can't really be done at the moment. So it kind of feels like I haven't really accomplished too much in this Powersheet thing. But yeah, I really love this, and definitely let me know if you are a Powersheets user, because it's kind of like some people do it. Not a lot of people use Powersheets, but I am really loving it. All right, then I have my third one, which is my Erin Condren Petite Daily Planner, or Daily Agenda? Daily Planner, Petite Daily Planner. So right now I just have January through March, April through June, and then just a notebook in the back. So kind of just scribble stuff. Like the other day, well, like last month, Peter and I went to a printing class, which was a lot of fun. And yeah, it was just in our local neighborhood area and we learned a lot. So I took some notes on that. I'll show you an example of a day that I haven't filled in, but I use the Planner Kate stickers for morning, afternoon, and evening, and then I'll just do my checklist in here. So nothing too specific, just be like if I have to take medication at night or if I have to go grocery shopping or something like that. Just my daily to-dos I'll fill in here, check it off, and I just enjoy it because it's kind of nice to have scribbly, not so pretty, trying to be all perfect, you know, like in my Erin Condren life planner. So I really enjoy this. It was meant to be where I would do this, but I would have the hours and I'd keep track of what I do at every hour in here. But I kind of got sucked into doing buying a life planner. And so now I have my hourly and my life planner, so I don't really need this as an hourly because to me it's a little bit too repetitive. Maybe down the line I would use it if I'm using this more as a like purse planner. But right now I just kind of use it as my to-dos and scribbling notes and such. All right, so here is my new love, and it is, see, I keep getting, because my dogs keep stepping on my planner somehow. It is my new Erin Condren life planner. I did this on Erin Condren, got it personalized and all that. Obviously this isn't my initials yet, but I figured I'd rather have it and not have to get it remade and all that, so yep. So I got this in February? No, I got this in March. So I can show you more in depth about how I plan in it, but I've been really liking it because I feel like I just needed some more structure in my planning and just like, I needed it to be hourly. I was using the Happy Planner vertical for quite a while, and even before that I was using the A5 size, just a vertical layout as well without hours, and it just kind of felt like I needed the hourly at the moment. I mean, I can always go back to Happy Planner or I can go back to the Erin Condren just like vertical, but I was really craving an hourly, and I know some people out there feel the same way where sometimes you're just kind of like stuck in a rut and you just want something new. So I went back to an Erin Condren. Actually, I don't think I've ever used an Erin Condren. So this is my first one, I think. I might have used one before. I don't think so. So first life planner, and I'm loving it. I'm so happy with it. I used to use hourly in like an A5 version, but I kind of just wanted something official, not having to print it out myself. So yes, this is what I'm using currently, and I love it because I just have so many different type of business stuff to do, so I could just easily say, you know, at this time I need to be doing this, blah, blah, blah. It just makes it a little bit easier. So if you want more in-depth planning of any of these planners, let me know in the comments below. And last but not least, kind of getting back to the whole businessy stuff. This is my business / social media planner. I'm just using a Happy Planner because I do a lot of reading and I do a lot of watching videos, reading books, and reading things online that I take tons of notes. So I kind of just need something where I can always throw in a ton of note sheets, take note sheets out, just have a little bit more flexibility. So yeah, I kind of want to get a new cover, but this will do for now. So I'm using the Teacher Planner Happy Planner, so it's vertical. And what I do is on the monthly, I didn't really decorate this month because, you know, it's been really crazy. So on the monthly, I'll do what videos I'm posting. Weekly, I'll do my daily to-dos for business and social media. And I also have it kind of split up into sections. So my online store, if you don't know, I have an online clothing store. I also have Poshmark because I have a Poshmark store, YouTube in here, and Etsy, which I've kind of like put on the back burner for now. So I just don't have enough time to be doing a lot of my Etsy stuff. So yes, this is what I do. And by notes, I mean like, look at, this is how many notes I've been taking for my store. It's just because I'm always wanting to learn more, read more, and I love studying. So that is why I'm using the disc for my business planner. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Definitely let me know what else you'd like to see in the future, whether that be planner related or anything else related, fashion, lifestyle, anything like that. And be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!